What up, guys? Back here with another video. It's going to Target right now with some friends, and we're going to the Wolves game tonight because my sister is singing, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna try and see if I can get her to hold a GoPro while she sings, but I don't know, so we'll see. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys at Target.
I'd say.
So, since when has drumming been your profession?
Since last night.
Oh, Jimmy's dabbing to it. Oh!
Hey,
We're out at the Wolves game with Connor. Something wise. Oh yeah. Was it Samuel L. Jackson? Oh my God! 171 times on screen, I believe. Never seen a dog before.
when they put out a walk.
What do you feel about the dog? Get that dog! I feel like instead of dogs, they should use alpacas. Look at that fire, it's so big. Yo guys, the Wolves won and this little girl sang her heart out. My God, there were like 4 choirs there from like 4 different schools. They were screaming so hard. My ears hurt right now.
They were on the camera the most, and like
There was this one with gray shirts. They were on like 6 times the Jumbotron. But I mean, it's the Chicago Wolves. I mean, it's not too popular. We're going to Chasers right now. I've noticed, guys, most of the time that I say I'm in a vlog and somewhere, I end up not. But this time I actually will, I promise. And if I don't dislike this video, okay? If I don't dislike this video. So guys, like I said, you can't leave a dislike now because I'm vlogging in here. We got pizza. I got pizza. She got pizza. Dad got pizza. We got a pizza and Philly cheese. And Mom, you're ready? Philly cheese, right? Oh, first bite.
That looks a lot bigger than what we had last time.
Do you like the pizza?
Never had it that long.
We're leaving Chasers right now and going home. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.